Whoa! Whoa! Hey, it's me, Christopher Hart, your neighborhood cartoonist. I just did a book called, well, I did it, but it's published now, called The Master Guide to Drawing Cartoons, How to Draw Amazing Characters from Simple Templates. And this is about certain techniques for drawing character designs, which you may not find in many other books. And basically, other books tend to focus on the features, the nose, the eyes, the mouth, and that's all good. But I think that the most important thing to focus on when you're starting a character is the structure of the head. And people don't, because it's like, oh, I'm doing a regular egghead and that's fine. Well, I guess it is fine up to a point. But then you're going to end up with a character that looks like it is an egghead. So what do? At some point in the development of the character, you're going to want to shift. So I show you how to do that and when to do that. And here, when you're finishing up the character, so you notice that we take the hair and we create almost vertical lines with it that are continued here all the way into the final character. So it no longer looks like an egghead. It looks like a kind of modern character type with sides that are straight. It gives it a little edge. And I show you how to do that all through this section of faces and character designs. This is about templates also, so I'm showing you how to use templates. Like, for instance, here's a cute girl character, and she's showing you, here's her baseball, she's like a softball fan. And if you want to get more energy out of this pose, you're going to use a line of action that brings the chest out and the legs back, and it's one flowing line. There's certain things that you can do. And here, if you want to take a character and do some variations, all you do is lower the eye line or raise the eye line. That's it. The character's exactly the same. The hair's the same. But by doing that one thing, you change the look of the character. I wanted to show you one other character here. Oh yeah, it's a simple trick. You take another basic shape to create a cute character type. 1, 2, and it's a cute character. I mean, I think it's great. But at some point, you're going to want to do something so that the front of the face is not symmetrical to the back of the face, which is, not so interesting. So we shave off a little of the mask. That's all it takes. And now take a look at the structure going forward. See? And you can even see it in this and certainly in this. This is no longer the same shape as this. And it just adds a little energy to the character. So let's see if I can show you a few more things. This is, I think, a cool thing to show, cool technique. It really works on more complex characters. It simplifies them. We don't try to do it in one shape. This is the skull, and then we have a shape for the bottom that we kind of mold with a padded cheek over here and tapered jaw. And everything hangs on this. The hair becomes a framing device. Do you see that? It's a framing device here that you can see here. And it just keeps the viewer looking at the face rather than, oh, that's kind of nice. It holds their interest. Part of drawing is to keep them focused on what you want them to be focused on. And this is the eyes, really. Everything is framed here. Now let me go over and show you a few more. I can't show you the whole book, though I would like to. Oh, I put this in because it was me when I had young kids. This is called Dumb Dad Doing Dumb Dad Jokes, or something like that. And I was a dumb dad, but it was like the most fun ever. But why I'm showing you this is it's about poses, cartoon poses. This is called a self-referencing pose. It's a character, and here are the steps, a character who sports an interesting pose, and he refers to his own pose. That way, you can be clearer than if you just rely on the expression. This finger point to this hand puppet is making it a lot of fun, more than just the face. And as you see, at the very end, it will cause, the kids to groan, Dad. So that's the self-referencing pose. Many things in here. Let's see if I have some others I can show you. Here, take a look at this. This is a section on clothes. Basic structure of the character. Basic structure of the character and hiking clothes. It looks like a hiker right here. Exact same character over here. Look at that. Look at the change from here to here. A lot of times people think they have to change everything to create a new character. Sometimes 80% of it is the clothing. And it's an option that you can always use. Oh, this is kind of interesting, I think. The last one for today. If you take a short character and the same character as a tall character, you'll see that it's not just he's spread out. The proportions are different. The top is short, but with a tall character, the bottom is long, and the short character, the bottom's still short. So that's why a character can look short even if you don't see any scale around him. Scale meaning something that gives you a hint as to how big he is. Say he's standing next to a chair. You don't need him standing next to anything. You'll know this is this is a kid. Okay, so here is the back of the book. Create custom cartoon characters like a pro. I didn't write that, but I think it's true. Anyway, so here's the big arch in the back, big arch in the front, and it gives a lot of energy to the character. So again, it's called The Master Guide to Drawing Cartoons. Thank you for watching this never-ending video. I'm glad you did. Take a look at the book, let me know how you like it, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.